Hi everyone, PEMDAS is saying that 5 times 5 goes first. So what is 5 times 5? 25. Good job. Let's bring that 4 plus down, divided by 8. Looking back at PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 25 divided by 8? I don't know, so I am going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 25 over 8. Let's bring that 4 plus down, but let's bring the 4 in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. And I'm going to erase this for space. And notice that we are adding two fractions with different denominators. So we're going to use the butterfly method where we're drawing two wings, two antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing. So we're multiplying 4 times 8. What is 4 times 8? 32. And here's the antenna. And here's the other wing. And here's the other antenna. 1 times 25 is 25. 25 and 32. Okay, so the body goes here. So 1 times 8 is 8. And so don't leave yet because we need to find the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. And I'll write that on this side of the board. So our new denominator is 8. And then we add 32 plus 25. So 32 plus 25. So that's 7, 3, 4, 5. 57. So I'll write 57 here. And this cannot be simplified further. So this is your answer in an improper fraction. Now let's go ahead and use long division to help us find the decimal answer and the mixed number answer. So I'll write those here and here because we got the space. All right, so 57 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 8 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. How many times can 8 fit into 57? Well, I know that 8, I'll write it here. I'll write it here. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And we have 57 and we have 56. Can't be 64 because that goes over 57. So 7 it is. So we'll write 7 here. And then we multiply 7 times 8, which is 56. And then we subtract 57 minus 56 is 1. So we have 7 as the whole number, 1 the remainder, and over 8 from the divisor. And I know some of you know the decimal answer, but let's find it, continuing the long division. So how many times can 8 fit into 1? You cannot, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So we add a decimal after the 57 and after the 7. Write a 0 after the decimal here. Bring down the 0, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. How many times can 8 fit into 10? 1 time. And 1 times 8 is 8. And then we subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. And I am running out of space, so I'm going to write it over here. So how many times can 8 fit into 2? You cannot. So the 2 is going to borrow a 0. So I write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. How many times can 8 fit into 20? 2 times. And 2 times 8 is 16. And 20 minus 16 is 4. And how many times can 8 fit into 4? You cannot, so the 4 needs to borrow a 0. So I write a 0 there, bring the 0 and give it to the 4. The 4 becomes 40. How many times can 8 fit into 40? How many? 5 times. Good job. And 5 times 8 is 40. And 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is 7.125. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.